How does one overcome haram temptation? It is the only thing you have to fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The first thing I'm saying, my brothers and sisters, when you people are doing haram, why don't you put yourself into the shoe of that person? What do I mean by that? Suppose if I'm doing haram with a girl, if someone does the same thing haram with my family women, with women of my family, will I agree with that? No. So your iman is incomplete when you are doing something for someone which you don't want someone to do for you. And Rasulullah has said, "La yuminu ahadukum hatta yuhibba li akhihi ma yuhibbu li nafsihi." That you cannot be a true believer unless you love for others what you love for yourself. So my first question is that overcoming haram temptation is that do you like the same feeling is shown by someone else with regards to your females? You won't like it. Then you should ask Allah's forgiveness. So this is the first part which is more serious than anything because your iman is in danger now. The second thing is that change the environment. Go and do the wudu. Go and do, after do the wudu, go and pray 2 rakat, for the forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Salatul Tawbah. Do the Tawbah, repentance. And do something good. Go back to Quran. Go back to, reading of the hadith. Do something good, change the environment, and that will help you to go away from the temptation. Because anything, like for example, you're sitting in a company where the women are there and you are getting bad temptation. Change that. Go at least for a minute, you can go to the toilet, change yourself, go do wudu, wash yourself and come back. And even if you are there, here and there, read Quran, open the Quran, read Ayatul Kursi, read Surah Al-Falaq, or at least say, A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem.